Hello everyone, Dr. Toula here, and welcome to the fifth and final part of the Frog and Scorpion in the living room, boardroom, bedroom, the whole sit series. We're looking at the 5 different areas, rooms that live inside of us, and when we go into those particular rooms, we might, let's say, have conflict at work or in our relationship or whatever. So we're going into our boardroom, looking at our corporate shadow self and what's happening there, the dynamics that are affecting us in a leadership role, and then we perhaps look at the bedroom and some of those internalized patterns or thoughts about our romantic shadow self and what that actually can look like and how that affects our leadership role or leadership capacity. Then we can start to look at our living room shadow self. Okay, so exploring that part of us, that family shadow, and what that means for us, and then how that has manifested in our leadership role. So remember, we're going deeper. Psycho-spiritual leadership is about going deeper into your unconscious and learning more about these particular rooms that are inside of you, the shadow part of you. So then we looked at the dark room and the addictive shadow self and what that looks like for you, and then how that plays out in your leadership role. And so now we're exploring the ancestral part of you. This is where the healing happens. This is where we learn more about our spiritual journey to self. What is it about the wisdom of our ancestors that we can learn? What is it that we can use or decide that we don't want to use, that our ancestors might have taught us? So that can be ancestral trauma that we might say, okay, I need to work on, or it might be ancestral wisdom that we can learn from and benefit from in that dreamlike room of ourselves. So exploring the dream room can be anything that you want it to be. In terms of your ancestral shadow self, it can be looking also though at current dreams that you're having and what that dream analysis might mean to your leadership role. Or it might mean that you're looking at, let's say, some sort of visionary or sort of ideal about what you would like to achieve, you know, going into your active imagination and exploring what that actually looks like for you. Doing some creative work so that your spiritual journey is something that is helpful for you to know yourself, and connecting to the spirit of yourself or the spirit of others or the spirit of the world around you. So it may or may not have something to do with religion. That's up to you. But exploring all of these different rooms, exploring all of the different shadow selves that we have inside of us, to complete the whole house, to complete our true self and know our true self, that's the goal of this course. Thank you.